Now, watch how easily these skins, so what I've been doing with these that are ugly is I kind of slit it and then cut off that like that. And then if you want, look at how easy I can get the skin off of these Amish paste. Look at that. That is really great. This hasn't been blanched. This is just a tomato out of the garden. And I can like peel that skin off. So you can see where these would be a great canning tomato. But honestly, I think they're just so good. They're juicy, tasty. This is like a beautiful tomato. Beautiful tasting tomato. And I can eat the skin. I don't mind to have the skin on my sandwich. But if I wanted to peel it, this would be such an easy tomato to peel. I'm going to cut that little end off there. But you can see, I don't know, can you see? It's so juicy. Actually, I think I'll just eat that. It's juicy without tasting watery. Can y'all see all the water, tomato juice on my hands? It's just a beautiful, beautiful tomato. Like, this is a perfect sandwich tomato for me. Now, it does have a little bit of seed. I don't know if that's a problem for some people, but maybe some people don't like that many seeds. You know, I should probably save those seeds. I might do that. So there we go. Look at that. All right, I'm going to post a picture. I'm going to take a picture and put it for you guys. Well, I should probably take a bite and let you know what it tastes like. I'm going to take a bite. So yummy. Okay. That is not over acidic, but it tastes like a tomato. Like what your mom thinks a tomato tastes like. But kind of mild and sweet. Not tart. Like a nice old good old tomato.